I'm Roger. I'm with the MOXY muscle oxygen monitor, and we make a sensor that measures oxygen levels in muscles for athletes while they work out. So this is used for doing a range of things. We use it for doing assessments, so we can identify what physiologic system of the athlete is limiting their performance. We can monitor their training, so for things like weightlifting, while they're working out in real time, we can tell them when they should stop doing reps and how long they should rest in between sets. Also for interval training for other sports. And then we also use it for guiding performance in competition. So we have people looking at using it for hockey to know when they should do a shift change and when the guys on the bench are ready to go back out, when they've recovered sufficiently. So once they get to that lower plateau, they'll stop, and then they let it recover, and depending on what they're trying to accomplish, they might let it recover only halfway and then start again, or they might let it recover all the way. So if you want to build muscle mass, you're going to want to start again before you're fully recovered. If you're more about power and explosive power, you're going to want to let it recover further. So ANT is great. We focus on what we're good at. We're good at making the sensor, and we make an awesome sensor. And then we send the data out over ANT+. And that enables us to send the data to a range of applications of people that are able to process the data, combine it with other data. So the two examples we have here, this is Parapedal. This is an indoor cycling application. So this can collect muscle oxygen, so SMO2 and THB, power, speed, cadence, and heart rate, all in one, and put it all in one file, so all the data is time synced. We don't have that, someone else made this entirely. And that's what being a part of the community is so great, because we could just fit right in. This is an Android phone app, does the same thing. So we made our device, made it ANT+ compliant, and these guys did their thing, and now we've got, these are just two of the applications. There's about 8 or so applications that have sprung up in the last year of just people from the ANT+ community that build apps around our data. So that's awesome that lets us focus on what we do, and they focus on what they do well.